Welcome to this short video in which I'll show you the SAP CodeFerret app. CodeFerret can find virtually anything in your SAP custom code and do it fast. So let's take a look. Here's CodeFerret on the SAP dashboard. He looks pretty innocent, doesn't he? Let's send him scurrying down a few holes. It's always comforting to know there aren't any coded breakpoints in production. These might be useful for development and testing, but they can cause real problems in production. So let's get CodeFerret to help us out. CodeFerret can search within any of my systems and in an instant return the results I'm looking for. Now, that isn't quite what I was hoping for. What have we here? This breakpoint is commented, so I can ignore it. But what's this? Here's the breakpoint in its full context, and here's the program author I may need to have a word with. CodeFerret can also search for a whole phrase rather than a single word. This can be handy when tracking down memory imports and exports, for instance. Here I found where this particular memory ID gets exported from this function module. And here's the one instance where it gets imported. I can also filter search results by object attributes. Let's say I want to search for macro definitions. I might search like this. But now I've found 275 objects that include this term. What if I'm interested only in macros defined in one particular package? Now I've got just 3 macro definitions. If I want to see where these macros are invoked, I can simply search for these terms using CodeFerret. Using this kind of search by attribute technique, I can find code objects by author, date, transport number, and several other attributes. And of course I can also combine search conditions using Boolean operators. As you can imagine, the IDES system contains vast amounts of custom code, yet CodeFerret searches this data in almost no time. A very helpful little critter indeed. Thanks for watching this quick demo of CodeFerret. You can try it out today by downloading Salt from saltapps.com. Also, please use the SAP Apps forum to get help and contribute to the ongoing development of SAP Apps for SAP.